Click Power. No response. Place dust-proof paper. Remove the rear cover screw. Open the rear cover. Disconnect the above interfaces in sequence. Disconnect the battery interface. Remove the FPC screws and disconnect the ITS interface. Disconnect the loudspeaker interface. Remove the loudspeaker screw, then disconnect its interface. Remove the loudspeaker screws at both ends. Pull out the loudspeaker adhesive tape at both ends. Remove the loudspeaker at both ends. Remove the battery screws at both ends. Pry up the battery adhesive tape. Remove the battery. Remove the new adhesive tape. Attach the new adhesive tape to the computer and tear off the protective layer. Lay the battery flat after aligning the screw positions at both ends of the battery. Fix the screws at both ends of the battery. Put new tape on the speaker and peel off the protective layer. Then install the speaker and press it properly. Fix the loudspeaker screws and interface at both ends. Install the touchpad cable back, then turn the screw on. Install the battery interface. Please align the position, then press the hoop. Install the rear cover and tighten all screws.